everyone, today we're going to be making pancakes, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. In it goes. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. We're going to add half tablespoon of baking powder. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and we're going to add a pinch of salt. These are for the dry ingredients. We're going to mix it up. For the wet ingredients, you're going to require 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In case you do not have vanilla extract, I am using 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla powder. I'm just going to give this a quick mix. Next, I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. I'm going to try and introduce the milk gradually. So I'm going to start mixing it and then slowly and steady pour the rest of it in. So what you're going to look for is basically a thick runny batter. You don't want it to be too lumpy and you don't want it to be too watery either. So you're going to maintain your consistency. At last, I'm going to add the leftover milk along with 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now once your batter is ready, we're going to heat a pan on medium high. Once your pan is hot, you're just going to stir in the batter. Take a nice generous amount and put it on your pan. I haven't greased the pan with butter or oil because you will not require it. Like, it's optional. If you still want to butter your pan, you can go ahead and butter it. You can see how it's taken form. So it's just got its own shape, and you're going to let it cook for 2 minutes on the first side, and then you're going to flip it. You'll know the pancake is cooked when you can see all these little bubbles turning up on the surface, and this whole thing will start getting a little dry. So that's when you know that your pancake is ready to flip. Now I'm going to flip it onto the other side. So you can see it's got a lovely color to it, but you don't want it burning. You just want to get that nice color. So that's why you need your pan to be nice and hot. Give it like 15 to 20 seconds on the other. Do not press your pancake down because you will just remove out all the air and you'll flatten your pancake. Just turn it and that's ready. We'll take it out. Now with the rest of the dough, I'm going to make some mini pancakes. The batter remains the same. The only thing that changes is the size of your pancake. So I'm going to drop smaller batches of dough at a good distance. So they don't stick. You can see this one's almost ready. I'm going to flip it.
So this, my friends, is how you make mini pancakes.
Now there's another trend that's going on the internet of cereal pancakes. Use the same batter, reduce the size of the quantity of how much you're going to drop for each pancake. Just make sure that your gas is a little more lower, otherwise you may just land up burning them.
And this is how you can stay in trend and make cereal pancakes at home. It's that simple.
If you did like our videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. We'll see you soon next time.